Hello and welcome to Advanced Navigation's unboxing video series. At Advanced Navigation, we're dedicated to pioneering high-accuracy navigation and robotics technology for the most demanding applications. Across defense, mining, marine, and aerospace, our solutions power critical operations, from autonomous platforms and precise mapping to robust positioning in extreme environments. Evaluation kits, or EKs, are designed to empower engineers like you to understand what comes in each EK, facilitate rapid setup and accelerate your test programs, enabling you to get your solutions into the field faster and with greater confidence. And with our dedicated support engineers, who are also application experts, we're committed to creating a seamless experience for you every step of the way. Welcome to our unboxing of the Hydrus Evaluation Kit. This video is designed to give our technical customers a comprehensive look at what's included, allowing you to quickly get started with your unit. In this video, we'll be showcasing Hydrus, our micro-hovering AUV built for precise visual exploration and information gathering missions below the water surface. Let's get to the unboxing. The Hydrus Evaluation Kit comes in this rugged transport case. First, the heart of the kit, the Hydrus unit. No hardware configuration is needed for Hydrus. Once removed from the box, it needs to be charged to full battery. Hydrus is a device comprised of 4 main sections. Let's first review the vision section. The main feature of Hydrus is camera, able to capture 12 megapixel stills while recording 4K video at 60 frames per second. Auto-adjustable LED lights, an integrated DVL system allowing for velocity aiding, which improves navigation accuracy, and obstacle avoidance and automatic altitude control for improved mission reliability. Now, let's have a look at the thruster section. The driving force of Hydrus, its thrusters, magnetically driven and fully isolated from the main body, mounted on ceramic bearings to resist saltwater corrosion. Due to their design, field servicing is straightforward, requiring the user to simply remove thrusters for cleaning or replacement before reattaching them back to the body. Finally, the battery and transponder sections. Fully encapsulated and insulated battery with no chance of water ingress, and an active acoustic transponder and GNSS receiver. The transponder can be used for acoustic communication and position aiding via Advanced Navigation's Subsonus and GNSS Compass, forming a more in-depth and precise subsea inspection device suite. Use of a Subsonus also allows for periodic mission updates of Hydrus telemetry data such as depth, roll pitch and heading, battery percentage, and more. Subsonus also allows for basic navigation commands to be sent to Hydrus, such as mission pause, resume, and abort commands, change recovery location, return to recovery location, and return to surface commands. Next up, we have the Hydrus 60-watt charger, which also includes a 12-volt 80 watts power supply with international plug types. Next, there are 2 spare thruster kits, as seen here, with accompanying screws. The kits include bearings, the rotors themselves, and 2 separate guards for the different mounting positions on Hydrus. Rotors come in 1 configuration, counterclockwise. Also present in the kit is a 2.5mm hex key for Hydrus thruster servicing. Next up, a Mini-Hydrus magnetic wand to switch Hydrus on and off via the EPD screen. We recommend the supplied magnet be used to power cycle Hydrus. However, this can be achieved by other magnets, with care taken not to use powerful magnets. Next up, a tethering clip attachment for Hydrus, should certain operations demand it. All documentation for Hydrus is available through the link in the description. At Advanced Navigation, we offer comprehensive customer support. Our dedicated engineering support and application experts are readily available to assist you. We pride ourselves on fast response times and hands-on assistance throughout your entire process. Your successful integration is our priority. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions. That concludes our unboxing and overview of the evaluation kit. We hope this has provided a clear understanding of the components you'll receive to kickstart your integration and development. For more detailed specifications, documentation, or support, please visit our website or contact our sales team. Thank you for watching.